Hello. Una good afternoon, a good morning, good evening, depending wherever you're watching me from. Now me, your daughter, your sister, your mother, your cousin, your wife, anything you call me. Mama Pressy Talk Show. Today I want to talk to Jama First Lady. Wati egwume, ọmọ no sakan, ọmọ no riai, ọmọ no kekua, ọmọ ni huemu. Wati egwume, call her for me. Call her for me. Mona call African Jama First Lady. Mona call her for me. Yi? Eriogele no. Eriogele no. Iya wo kan agami go kere ne agami owe ne dado ga leva, okay? Ewe una. Now you dey do so. Jama First Lady. Yi? I watch your video. I watch am. So disgusting. E na so na be for family. You get mind. You go carry paper. Go give your mother-in-law. For Ayelala Shiran. Who does that? Who does that? African Jama First Lady. Who does that? You see, I be person wey be dey respect you well. Other man say you no senior me, but I like you. You know why I like you before? I like happily family. I dey see you and your husband. The way una take dey happy. I dey like am. You understand me? I dey like everything wey you dey do before, but this one wey you do so, African Jama First Lady. This one wey you do so, you don fall many people hand. I swear to God, ọmọ no yai, ọmọ no seke. So wa mi go na the YouTube, mi go na the social media. Wagi eke no gbo wagi la. Wagi eke no gbo wala. You just open eye, crow. You say they bring a yellow paper, go give your husband mother. What is wrong with you? I'm on Osaka. What is wrong with you? If I like, I call you whatever I want to call. If you like, come out and insult me. I don't care. I have to say the fact because when I watched that video, I was so bitter. Eh? How you will do that kind of thing? Well, but you come and say, now so they bring a yellow paper, go give your mother-in-law. You not see him. Make it bring her out. Make show her to the world. If na your name, keep quiet, my dear. Keep quiet. Who are you fooling? Who you the fool? I dey ask you, who are you fooling? You tell your family make they go give ayelala paper to your mother-in-law for back. Then you come out for Facebook, you come out for social media to come tell us say you don't know one, you don't know two. But when you hear the information, when you hear say they go give your mother-in-law ayelala paper, what did you do? Did you stop them? According to you, you said if my papa relation can't hear what you do for Facebook, they can't hear what you do for social media, they can't decide to bring a yellow papa for you. What it concern you? Come on, girl. Who are you fooling? As you hear say your family member go give a yellow paper to your mother-in-law, immediately what was your reaction? What was your reaction? Make I ask you. What did you do? What did you do to stop your family member, your papa family, not to go and give your husband mama ayelala paper? What did they worry you some of una? They say akomane yegui. You and your mother-in-law they quarrel. Una fit quarrel. One day. Una go see settle the matter because You are there, you dey marry pikin. You dey marry that woman pikin. How you go to that length? You say make your family make they go give your mother-in-law ayelala paper. Who does that? Oh, when I watch that, my heart dey bitter. I dey cry. What has this world turning? What has it turned to? Jama first lady. Jama first lady. If I were you, wetin I go for do is, the moment you hear say your family go give your mother-in-law ayelala paper, you will come out, begin dey cry, begin dey shout. I send una. I no send una. I no send una. Why? Because of your husband and the children wey you put for that family. Amekenana gwiya. Akomame yegwi. Amekenana gwi. The important thing is how you settle your home. What is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? You even come and say, if my family people come decide, how are you fooling? Now you go complain to your family member. Now they bring a yellow and you give them permission. Now they bring a yellow paper, go give that woman. Jama first lady, waiting you they do this woman so they go do you. Remember, say you get children. Remember, say you get male children. They go do one to you. Only you. You use the children, your husband and your husband's sister. You turn against that woman. I just feel for that woman because every day I dey wonder how that woman dey feel every day. Woman wey born children, nurture them, stress and dedicate and sacrifice everything for children. At the end of the day, you Jama lady go come from nowhere. You go come put asunder between children and mama. Who are you? And I go still ask you again, who does that? Who does that? Are they making an agreeer? No, we quarrel not there. If we quarrel, we settle. If we quarrel, we settle. Now that makes us family. I make an SOJ and I make an agree. Once we quarrel, put a mess to it. That is the important thing. For you to go and give your mother-in-law ayelala paper or your family, as you said, that they should go and give your mother-in-law ayelala paper, you are a disgrace. You don't have character. You are mannerless. And your mother that is behind this thing, she is mannerless too. Anything won't like me, if you come out, if you like, talk anything you want to talk, I don't care. I have to tell you the truth. Because the Bible says, say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Now the truth, now the talk. You they do everything now. Your husband come out, you and your husband come out for social media. When I begin to dance, now they drink, when they wine together, they dance, you don't care. And they laugh you. You see that husband where they your back today. You see that your husband where they support you, where I don't want to cause that one because of that woman. Because maybe that boy don't know what they do. That boy when they follow you, they rejoice with you, they dance, they rejoice with you. Make I tell you, say one day will come out. The time where you need the mama to talk to, you know see her mama, where he go talk to, go begin to shout. Hey, my wife don't cause trouble between me and my mama. Oh, now you be the devil. You never see anything. Man, they go so narrate. And they wait for you. He go narrate you. He go narrate you one day. He go say now you cause trouble between him and his mother. Why can't you use your senses? As you see, say quarrel they come. Why you not settle mama and pikin? Why you not tell your own husband, say, if you not settle with your husband, with your mother, there will be no peace in this house. Settle with your mother. Make them not come to say I be bad woman. You not do like that. You carry your husband, you put him for a Sahara. You cover him for a Sahara. Who does that? Who they do that kind of thing? Huh? Because say your husband loves you. You know me say me you dey go. May I tell you one thing, eh? There is boundary where you go reach, eh? There is boundary where you not fit cross. You fit cross to your husband's boundary, but you can't cross to his mother. You can't cross to his mother boundary because your husband and your husband, he mama na mama. But now you are crossing your boundary and you are crossing the boundary of his mother. Only you use mama and children. You use the children against the mother. Who does that? I dey pity for that woman. Wetin she don't pass through. She don't pass through many things. Every day I dey imagine the way she dey cry every night. Because I dey imagine her because I be mama. Mama will suffer finish. Train children. Train pikin, sacrifice everything for children. At the end of the day, one year woman will come out and say, "May come bring a yellow paper for me." Then you think that woman will forgive you tomorrow and you have children there. My dear, if that course never ready, if I were you, you go run immediately. Immediately, may they go retrieve that paper. Tell your family, your papa family, where you first thought say your papa family, they not train you. Your papa don't train you. Not be now they want to train you. Tell them, say, I don't want it. You don't want anything. Tell them, say, may they go remove them immediately. If really you not go tell your family people, may they give this innocent woman a yellow paper. Who does that? Are they shame for someone? So for so many girls, so many ladies like you, are they shame for them? You see man where stand by you, man that loves you, man that can do everything for you, instead of you to use your senses, instead of you to stay, instead of you to use your brain, tell on the family, you want scatter the family, you want remove that woman from her son. Who does that? Who does that? You are very lucky. You not meet mama. You not meet woman where big bagman for Italo. All these women where big bagman for Italo where get children for you. You are very lucky. Say you not meet. You not go meet them. I wish you meet one of them. They go tell you. They go use your eye. Take scrub ground. They go tell you say, come. I come this Europe. Come. This Europe can't suffer for my children. Nobody go fit do that kind of thing to me. You are very lucky. Your mother-in-law not be waiting you dey, not be the way you dey talk am na that woman be, because the way I dey see that woman, she can't even talk, she no fit pepper body, she's very, I know say they not use that one they carry am, but at least e get late wey they do something reach. Amana gwo mogun ebo gbe ebo hiagi gbogbo eniyan jama lady nu zegi enu kere go. Ebo nu gege unu yari e ladian hamiya wumagie hamiya wumobowo umagie, because other fun where your husband is happy with you today doesn't mean tomorrow he will be happy with you. Ege no ya ni dije emi je fian e ije mamwe phone emi ro no hia ha mi je o ma se tita mi je eva nu ana ebe ne obalomo bi jeje ebegbe. That man will turn against you. I am telling you, I am still telling you, I'm not a native doctor. I'm telling you for 10 times. That man will turn against you one day. It's not done anywhere. Except it's sunu. My mama get children, made children. My mama children, made children. They get wives. Me except it's total aru okpadori ebayela la gije. Except it's sunu. Oga sunu woni hiaja o ya hiyeke esunu. I said they say esunu. There is nothing you and your mother-in-law, there's no problem you and your mother-in-law will do that you will go and give your mother-in-law a bayelala. Your mother-in-law did not confess. Except it all confess. Oma confess. Mama mi ewo una jivie ya hiyan. That is what pains me so much. Ijomoga is suffering in everywhere, in every angle. One woman will come from nowhere. Odo mi je. Although me share so controlling no be any mumu. Somebody is giving your mother ayelala paper. You are there dancing with your wife. How dare you? Who does that? Who does that? Even if your mama, you see her for bad things, sometimes cover up for your mother. It's your mother. Cover up for your mother. Nobody is above mistake. Cover up for your mother. But you no cover up for your mother. Instead, you came out and start dancing with your wife. Now they drink champagne together. Now they bust champagne together. Because you want proof to the world say, oh, you people are in love. You are deceiving yourself. Now the fools none I want tell. You are deceiving. The time that man will turn against you, you will know that you have to respect your mother-in-law. Your husband's family. Respect them. Take them the way you take your own family. Take them the way you take your mother, your father-in-law, the way you take your parents. It's very important for we women. Because some women are really losing it. They are losing it. So, my brothers and sisters, pass this message to German lady. Mona share and go give am. Share and go amana go mo gun ebo ogbe. Ebo ogbe. Then me gigi yen na. Nebo he agbe German lady ogiri na. Why I'm talking this thing is because she is one of the presenters I so much love so much. But the way she's going now, the way she's going now, she's getting out of hand. You don't do that, no matter what. Go and apologize to your mother-in-law and tell your family member not to bring ayelala paper for your mother-in-law. Tell them to retrieve that paper immediately. Tell them to retrieve that paper immediately. If not, it will be a generational cost to your family. If you don't know, I don't want to know what happened to you, what happened between you and your mother-in-law, your husband. I don't want to know. I'm not interested. I knew what they do. No matter what I you hear me so? I'll walk back with all the ladies say, or red out of a key. I mean, no red key. Yeah, and you are here by a lot of ni each other phone. And soon, a family will not pay where you're not setting it, they go wrong, leave you. Or setting it, they go wrong, leave you. When in the channel, so Jamal let you back the message in here. And my people, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to Mama Pressy Talk Show, like my page, subscribe, share my videos, and comment. May God bless you all. On I'm a party to tell me German lady, if you like to take, if you don't like not take. Before they summon your husband, mama, before she go answer them, please tell your family to go and retrieve it immediately and go and apologize to your mother-in-law. If not, time will come, you will remember me when your husband